Okay, good morning, children. So yesterday we were doing the summary of the enemy, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much did I do the summary? Up till where? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. When Dr. Sadao was doing the medication of that American
Yes, yes, yes.
and what?
And finally, what happens, Vita? I will just finish it up. He operates the prisoner of war. Okay. And then now he is very much tense. Why? Because all the servants they had left. They were not interested to continue their services. Why? Because he had given shelter to a prisoner of war, and they left. Neither Dr. Sadao nor Hana, they tried to stop this matlab these servants. Okay. Now the general, he was very much impressed by Dr. Sadao. He had faith on Dr. Sadao, and he did not want that he should be operated by anybody except Dr. Sadao. So one day this Dr. Sadao, he goes to the general and he shares everything with him. The prisoner of war, one day a prisoner of war, he was being washed away on the shore, and I sheltered him. I had to operate him, otherwise he would have died, and now he's in a great trouble. Okay. So the general, he was a very good man who had lot of kindness and sympathy for Dr. Sadao. Okay, lot of respect too. He says to Dr. Sadao that he doesn't need to worry, as he has his own assassins. Okay, assassins are the murderers, and in an absolute state like Japan, you know, they have to keep what, the assassins, the head of the country. In case if anybody revolts, then they can just suppress that person. Just wait, let the voice be over. Okay, so he shares everything. The general, he assures him that he is going to send the murderers at night, and he asks Dr. Sadao to keep open the door. Okay, that is towards the garden. Okay, the room, it had two doors. One opened inside the room, inside the house, and the other it opened towards the garden. And he asked him to keep the door open. Nobody can suspect, as it was quite hot that time, and uh, he doesn't need to worry. The murderers will come. Okay, they will kill the prisoner, they will murder the prisoner. No outward bleeding would be there. It would be inward bleeding, inward injuries they will do, and they would also carry the body. Now Dr. Sadao, he waits first day for the murderers to come. He did not share this with his wife Hana, otherwise she would be scared. So whole night Dr. Sadao was not able to sleep. Okay, he thinks that the murderers, they have come and they have murdered the person, and early in the morning when he goes to the room, he finds the prisoner sleeping. Second day also he waits, but and he's in this doubt that they will sure, he's in this view that surely today they are going to come. But as he gets up, the second day is over, he gets up, goes into the room of the American prisoner, but still he was there, and third day also it happens the same. Now, Dr. Sadao, he cannot bear this, tolerate this tension anymore. So he takes a very firm, a very determined decision, a very hard decision, though it was very dangerous, a very difficult decision he takes. He goes to the market and he buys eatables and water bottles and a quilt. Okay, and he decides that he is going to give his boat to the prisoner and make him run away from there. Got it? He does not share his plan with Hannah. Okay, Hana से वो share नहीं करता है, and he brings a black cloth to tie on the blonde hair of American. Otherwise, his blonde hair, would be seen, and it would be recognized that he is not a Japanese, right? So he goes to the prisoner, tells him everything, that I'm going to give you the eatables, water bottle, and everything, and I'll give you my own boat. You need to move away from here. And he shows an island that existed in the sea, and he tells him to go there and wait for the Korean fishing boats to pass by. Okay, and if the fishing boats they pass by, the prisoner, he was asked to stop one of the Korean fishing boat, get into the boat, and be away from the country. Okay, this way he would escape from the country. Now, and he also tells him that that island, it is isolated, nobody lives there, because it gets submerged during the storm. When there is a storm in the sea, it gets sink, it gets drowned, it gets submerged into the sea. So no need to scare. And he asked him not to light any kind of fire. If the food it runs short, okay, he can catch the fish and eat the fish raw. Otherwise, if he's going to lit the fire, it would be seen. Okay, as nobody lived there, then he would be suspected. And that island, it was not fortified. It doesn't need to be fortified by the military. Clear? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In this manner, he makes this prisoner of war escape from there. Clear? And he does not tell anybody, nobody he tells you. समझ में आया? And when he meets General is very much apologetic, Why? Because he was not able to send the murderers, and again he's feeling sorry as he was not able to send the murderers. Why? Because he had an emergency operation. Clear? तुरंत कोई ऑपरेशन करना था. His life was in danger, and that was the reason he was not able to send the murderers. लेकिन उसको फिर डॉक्टर सदाव कहता है कि I don't know when that prisoner of war, he escaped on his own. Okay, अपने आप ही escaped, he ran away, right? And nobody doubts that Dr. Sadav had made him run away from there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the chapter. Put the date on the chapter. Put the date, beta. Date written. Yesterday only you might have written, na? Should we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
The enemy. Okay. Written by Pearl S. Buck. Now it is the time of the World War. An American prisoner of war is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorstep of a Japanese doctor. Should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the army as a pet right? Now, a question has been put up right by the writer that what should Dr. Sadav do? Should he save him as a doctor or should he hand him over to the army? And we came to know what he did to him. Okay, वो तो तुम्हें बता ही दिया मैंने. Doctor, important chapter, be attentive. Dr. Sadao Hoki's house was built on a spot of the Japanese coast, where as a little boy he had often played. Okay, now Dr. Sadao Hoki's house, it was built on a spot of the Japanese coast was there, and there the house was built, and his father had built it, so he had often played there when he was a small child. The low square stone house was set upon rocks well above a narrow beach that was outlined with bent pines. Now the writer says it was a low square stone house. Okay, it was built upon rocks, rocks ke upar tha, and above a narrow beach. Okay, the beach, it was somewhat narrow, and there the rocks were there on which the house was built, and the outlining of the pine trees were there. As a boy, Sadao had climbed the pines, supporting himself on his bare feet, as he had seen men do in the South Seas when they climbed for coconuts. Now, when this Dr. Sadao, he was a small boy, he used to climb the pine trees. You might have seen the people climbing the pine trees and the coconut trees, isn't it? They are very
Yes, ma'am.
expert in climbing. Okay, similarly, even he used to climb the pine trees, and he used to support himself on his bare feet. Okay, when people they climb the coconut trees or the pine trees, they are bare feet. Okay, they are barefooted. They do not put on any kind of chappals or sandals or shoes. Okay, barefoot है ना, नंगे पैर ही चढ़ते हैं. वो भी ऐसे ही चढ़ता था, because he had seen men do in the South Seas when they climbed for coconut, and he had seen that man, his father, he took him every now and then to the southern seas, okay, to the southern islands, and there he had seen people climbing the coconut trees. His father had taken him often to the islands of those seas. Now the writer says South Seas means he had visited, okay, the islands of South many times with his father, and never had he failed to say to the little brave boy at his side. Okay, and every time, whenever they visited the South Sea, father, he was his only child, so father was very much concerned about Dr. Sadao. So whenever he was taken there, father used to tell him, those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan. And he used to show the islands and tell him that they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan. Okay. Now Dr. Sadao, his father, he considered the islands, okay, which lay beyond, that were the stepping stones to Japan's future. Means Japan had to explore its options outside of the country. Okay, उसको explore करने थे options outside of the country. Japan को ये करना था, and Japan had to produce talent, okay, well acquainted, talented people with the world to put Japan on the global map. Okay, Japan को global map पर रखने के लिए वो islands को दिखाते थे, और जापान को ऐसे ऑप्शंस एक्सप्लोर करने थे कि जापान ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड पर आ जाए. तो वो अक्सर अपने बच्चे को कहते थे ये आइलैंड्स जो है ना, दे आर द स्टेपिंग स्टोन्स टू द फ्यूचर फॉर जापान. Okay, now the child, ये क्या है, islands, stepping stones हैं, सीढ़ियों की तरह हैं, that is going to make the future of Japan. Where shall we step from them? Okay, Dr. Sadao, he was a small child, he would ask his father. Who knows, his father had answered. Who can limit a future? It depends on what we make it. Okay, very beautiful answer given by the parent, by his father. He says, who knows? Okay, who can limit a future? It depends on what we make it. He wants to say that man is the architect of his own future. Architect, you got it? Architect,
Yes, ma'am.
what?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm the constructor.
The constructor, the maker, okay? So a person is the maker, of his own future, isn't it? We are responsible for making a future. And it depends on us how we make it. क्लियर. तो जब वो पूछता था स्टेपिंग स्टोन्स फ्यूचर कैसे बनाना है, तो वो कहते थे कौन जानता है कैसे बनाना है. अ पर्सन हैज टू मेक हिज फ्यूचर ऑन हिज ओन. अ पर्सन इज द आर्किटेक्ट, ओके, ऑफ हिज ओन फ्यूचर. क्लियर?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I've taken this into his mind. Now he got this thing fixed into his mind. We are the architect of our own future. As he did everything his father said. Why? Because he had fixed it into his mind that he had to make his own future. And whatever was told by his father, he did it like an obedient child. His father, who never joked or played with him, but who spent infinite pains upon him who was his only son. See now, his father, he was very, very much concerned about Dr. Sadao about his education, about his future and everything. Even Dr. Sadao, he was very much concerned. Okay, so whatever father said, like an obedient child, he obeyed it. His father, you know, like other fathers, he never joked or played with his child. Okay, but he spent non-ending pains to make his future, to make the future of his son. Why? Because he was his only child. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. Okay, main concern father के लिए क्या था? Education of Dr. Sadao. For this reason, he had been sent, underlined, at 22 to America to learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine. And he was very much concerned about his education, and that is why when he was too young, he was hardly 22 years old, he was sent to America to learn about surgery and medicine. He had come back at 30, underline, sorry. And before his father died, he had seen Sadao become famous not only as a surgeon but as a scientist also. Now, Dr. Sadao, he was sent at the age of 22, and when he was 30 years old, he completed his studies, okay, medical sciences and whatever he had gone for, surgery and all. And he returned at the age of 30 to his country. And before his father died, father was satisfied. Why? Because he had seen his son, Dr. Sadao, who had become a famous surgeon. Not only a famous surgeon, as well as he had become a famous scientist. So his dream of making the future of his son, it was completed. It was all his attempts to make his future a bright one, okay, were successful. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, because he was perfecting a discovery, now you just make a long bracket up till the last sentence. Japan. Make a long bracket, beta. Make a long one. Write down. Why was, write down, why was Dr. Sadao, why was Dr. Sadao not, why was Dr. Sadao not sent with the troops? With the troops. I told you, children, Second World War is going on, and America and Japan, they are at war with each other in this, okay? Written? Now the answer to this question is, okay, answer to this question is, why Dr. Sada was not sent with the troops? You know, the doctors are sent when the war is there on the borders. Why doctors are sent there? To fight?
To medicate the
To
Yes,
medicate the injured
yes.
people.
To cure, okay, to give treatment, okay, to the injured ones. So because he was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. Now the first reason was he was making a discovery that would clean the wounds entirely, पूरी तरह से wounds घावों को clean कर देंगे, है ना? ऐसी दवाई की वो discovery कर रहा था. He had not been sent abroad with the troops. This was the first reason. Second reason, also he knew there was some slight danger that the old general might need an operation for a condition for which he was now being treated medically, and for this possibility Sadao was being kept in Japan. And the second reason was कि old general, okay, the general of the country of Japan, you know, his condition was not good, you know, he was suffering and he might need an emergency operation any time. Okay, so Dr. Sadao was treating him. Medical treatment was done by Dr. Sadao. That was the main reason he was kept there, because the general, he might need an emergency operation anytime, and the general did not trust anybody except Dr. Sadao. So these were the two reasons why Dr. Sadao, he was kept there in Japan and he was not sent with the troops. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
enough for today?
Yes,
Enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye, beta. Take care.